Hey everyone, looking for some delicious and healthy lunch ideas that fit perfectly into your diabetes management plan? We've got you covered. Today we are sharing 23 tasty and diabetes-friendly lunch ideas. Let's dive in. First up, we have grilled chicken salad. It's simple, nutritious, and packed with lean protein. Add some mixed greens, cucumbers, and a light vinaigrette, and you're good to go. Next, try a quinoa and black bean bowl. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and fiber, and black beans add a healthy dose of carbs. Top it with some avocado for those good fats. How about some turkey and avocado wraps? Use whole grain tortillas, add some lean turkey slices and fresh avocado. It's a quick and satisfying option. For a vegetarian option, try a chickpea and veggie stir-fry. Sauté some colorful veggies like bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots. Toss in some chickpeas and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Feeling a bit fancy? Go for a salmon and spinach salad. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Pair it with fresh spinach and a lemon dressing. Another great idea is a lentil soup. Lentils are packed with fiber and protein, perfect for keeping blood sugar levels stable. Make a big batch and enjoy it throughout the week. Ever tried stuffed bell peppers? Fill them with a mixture of lean ground turkey, brown rice, and your favorite herbs. Bake until tender and enjoy. For a quick grab-and-go option, make some egg salad lettuce wraps. Use Greek yogurt instead of mayo for a healthier twist. Wrap it all up in crisp lettuce leaves. Another classic is a tuna and spinach salad. Use water-packed tuna, fresh spinach, and a light drizzle of olive oil. It's a great low-carb option. How about a cauliflower and chicken casserole? Roast some cauliflower and mix it with cooked chicken and a sprinkle of cheese. Bake until golden. Yogurt parfaits can also make a great lunch. Use Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. It's a sweet and satisfying option. For a bit of a twist, try zucchini noodles with pesto. Use a spiralizer to make zucchini noodles and toss them with homemade pesto. Add some cherry tomatoes for extra flavor. Another favorite is a caprese salad. Fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil drizzled with balsamic vinegar. It's simple and delicious. How about a shrimp and avocado salad? Shrimp is low in calories and high in protein. Pair it with fresh avocado slices and a light lime dressing. For a warm, comforting option, try a vegetable and barley soup. Barley adds a hearty texture and helps keep you full longer. Some other ideas include a beet and goat cheese salad, a chicken and vegetable stir-fry, a quinoa and veggie stuffed squash, a turkey and cranberry sandwich on whole grain bread, and a Greek yogurt and berry smoothie. Lastly, don't forget the power of leftovers. Sometimes the best lunches are simply a reheated version of your healthy dinner. So there you have it, folks. 23 diabetes-friendly lunch ideas to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Remember, balance and portion control are key. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more healthy tips. Catch you next time.